Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some easy tips to upcycle and revamp things from Poundland. There's some great things that you can get in there that you can upcycle into something that can be so beautiful in your home. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to keep you up to date. Hit the bell so you get notifications every time that I post a video and you can see what I've done and created. So this is from Poundland. I even bought the pineapple bag. It is so cute. So I've got these two lanterns here. Basically, I'm obviously not going to keep them this colour because, yeah, I'm not that keen on the colour. But if you've got a gold house and things, these would actually be really cute, but obviously for me I'm going to spray paint them, and yeah, I think they're just going to come out really cute, to be honest with you. So this is my first buy, and yeah, I think they're really cute. So we've got lanterns, and then I've got these. Now, I did think about leaving them absolutely fine the way they are. They do look really cute. They were obviously really cheap. But again, they're going to be for Sophia's room, and I'm definitely going to give them a bit of a makeover as well. So that's my second thing. So my third thing I've bought from the pound shop, I know, I'm actually really shocked, are these scatter crystals. So basically, we all want to, some of us can't keep plants alive, so really good for fake plants and things like that to put in the bottom of like a glass, to just give it a bit more of a glam feel. Love them. And then I've got larger ones. So in my other YouTube video, I've done a video on how to do a family photo frame, and these would actually be perfect as floating at the bottom, and I didn't really think about it at the time, but they definitely would be. So yeah, they're larger ones and I really love them. And then the candles are this is gonna be pink, maybe with glitter on, maybe just pink. I haven't really decided. And this one is going to be obviously the pink to go with it. So it's so cute. Obviously they're going in Sophia's room. I don't really like the smell of them, to be honest with you, but they're never going to be lit in there. They're just for show, especially as she's really young. I would never put lit candles in her bedroom, but it's just going to stay like this forever and be on show in her bedroom. Some more crystals. So I picked up number stickers. I think it's really good in your craft box to just have loads of different things, numbers. Again, this would be really good with the diamond crystals and number stickers for a family photo frame, or if you've got married or anything like that. It's just keep it, because they're always good for something. And they're always going to be needed to be used for something in the long run. So yeah, there's so much in there I could have bought today to upcycle. They're absolutely fine the way they are. I just like to give it my own little feel on it. But yeah, I'm really impressed. Look at them. So we've got these two, very cute. We got the two lanterns. We've got the numbers. And we've got the crystals. And obviously, we've got the pineapple bag, which basically sums up my crazy hair. So I also got some LED lights, so they could go into lanterns or something like that. But amazing. you are into crafts and you really want loads of things in your craft box and things, Poundland is definitely the one to go to. So we've got the hard as nails glue. People always go on about this. I haven't really used it before. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with this one. So, and my last but not least, how cute! So obviously I'm going to put plants and things in here, put it on the kitchen windowsill, and basically just grow some rosemary and things like that. I am going to paint this white, and then I'm going to give it a bit of a distressed look. I really like the wording, so once I'm done I will rummage through the wording to get it back. But it's really cute, and most people would probably keep it the same, but I really want it white and distressed, and that will be coming up. So my first thing I'm going to do, so that'll be coming up. So I've got so many things to upcycle here that are from Poundland, okay? This is going to be amazing. Like I said, you can keep them the way they are, but I totally am so excited to do them up into ideas to fit my home, because I don't really have gold things at all. So I'm literally going to do them up for the house. Sophia's room, like I said, she really wants pink and glitter on it, so we've got the candle. I'm probably going to spray this pink glitter and then see where we go from there. So happy with my buys today. There's so much here. So much. I probably could have got a lot more things, but I like to just make sure that I can keep up with everything and make sure that I do the best I can with my upcycling. So I just like to make sure that it's all ready and all okay. I hope you like my buys from Poundland. Please stay tuned to see what I get up to with them and how I upcycle them and what type of things I will be doing with them. It is so nice to be able to go somewhere like Poundland, find some things to upcycle into something that's going to suit your home, and it's so cheap and it will just look so nice in your house, and no one needs to know that it's from Poundland, and it can just be recycled or upcycled or left alone, whichever you prefer. I just need to make sure it fits the theme of my house. But it's such cheap, easy, quick ideas and ways to do it. So yeah, get down to Poundland and see what you can find. Watch my videos and see if you want to upcycle them, what you can do with them, how quick and easy it's going to be, and it will give you some ideas for your home. So stay tuned. The video will be uploaded tomorrow of the start of my upcycling Poundland buys. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!